Pardon the interruption. I just got to lay some groundwork really quick. So my church is hosting a beach volleyball tournament called King of the Beach. And the reason I'm not recording a lot of what's in this vlog is because I've been out sick. And so I apologize for the poor quality because I wasn't there to film. Now back to the vlog.
Make one other quick announcement. The
Are you
other
excited
thing that
for
we're
King of
going to
the
do for King of the Beach this year, each
Oh,
day,
really?
in light
Are you
of
excited?
the circumstances going on,
Are you excited?
each day,
What?
everyone
Okay,
who is
that's
playing
getting cut
King of
out.
the
Are
Beach
you
is going
excited?
to have to do a temperature check before you are
All
able
right,
to
so
play
back
that
to you
day.
guys.
So
You guys
we
are more
will mark an
interesting.
X on your hand.
You guys are
right
more
after you got your
interesting.
temperature check, so we know that you're good for the day.
Not
And that's when we're going to monitor safety and make sure everyone's good to go. So just keep that in mind that before you are able to play, you are going to have to go to our temperature check station, which is going to be located next to the bracket down in the volleyball courts. And you will get your temperature checked, and then you'll be able to.
Good hit!
Got a boost going on.
Little more on
And that brings the game on for number red to a close.
Okay, so funny story. I was out driving by myself, kind of out in the middle of nowhere, and I ran into some dirt roads. Let's just say my tires did not like that, and I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. Look at this thing, just completely burnt. And what's so strange is that all of my other 3 tires are perfectly fine. Like, they have a bit of dirt on them, but other than that, they're perfectly fine. So yeah, this is a fun experience that I wasn't expecting today. Like, I don't know what else to vlog. I don't know what else to say.